Ito nga pala po yung first event held in Casa Victoria. Major event agad. Birthday party ni Doña Victoria and her grandson. Ayan po. Panoorin po natin ang kaganapan.
Such a fool for you. You got me wrapped around your finger. Do you have to let it go? Do you have to let it go? Oh, I told you I was wrong. I was wrong.
Kami inare, sila na rin magliligpit. Oo, kanila lahat yan.